Welcome to Ban Phukrakrak Thailhunk and Ekok, where your journey to serenity begins. To secure your escape to this idyllic retreat, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or find the link in the description. Nestled amidst the breathtaking landscapes of Khao Kho, Thailand, this exquisite five-star haven promises an unforgettable immersion in nature's embrace. Here, amidst the whispering mists and verdant vistas, every detail is crafted to elevate your experience. Imagine waking each morning to the gentle caress of the mountain air, the world unfolding before you in a tapestry of emerald and sapphire. Indulge in culinary delights, savoring each exquisitely prepared breakfast, fueling your day with the freshest ingredients and breathtaking views. With complimentary parking and seamless Wi-Fi, your every comfort is anticipated. The lush, expansive gardens invite exploration, offering serene, picturesque spaces for reflection and rejuvenation. Every aspect of Ban Phukrakrak Thailhunk and Ekok is meticulously designed to offer a sanctuary of calm and sophistication, a place where time slows and the soul finds solace. As you prepare for your visit, remember check-in begins at 2 p.m., allowing you ample time to settle in and explore. Checkout is until 12 p.m., giving you one final serene morning. Please note our child policy, ensuring a tranquil atmosphere for all our guests. Allow the extraordinary to unfold. Book your stay now by scanning the QR code, your gateway to Khao Kho's hidden paradise.